Hi guys! I'll be cooking pork ribs with munggo. So this one fully clean already. Then if you want your pork ribs munggo soup will be tasty, too delicious. So cook it together. Cook it together, put it together, and boil it together. I'll show you this one. Okay, for a while, ha? So this one all clean already. This one I separatedly clean it. I clean this first, then this first, then it's okay already. Then put all the condiments like this. The chili, the lemongrass, the ginger, and the onion. Okay, and this will be the condiments, powerful condiments to help this become tasty. And let it boil until this pork and this munggo cook together. Okay, so let's go. Let's put in the fire. Let's put this on the fire. Okay. Okay. Cook it for 30 minutes. And let it boil. Put granule seasoning and salt together to become too tasty while it's boiling. Okay. So this is the granule seasoning and salt. 1 spoon salt. So it's up to you to add water later. So let it boil. Okay, let us just wait for 20 to 30 minutes. Boil dulu. Cover first. Okay, see you later for 30 minutes. Let's try and see again. Oh, wow, the pungent is very, very nice. It's because of this lemongrass and ginger, and of course the onion and chili. And if you want tasty soup, put 4 scoop of lemongrass. Super yummy. It's the oil is popping up already. So not yet cooked. Of course, the green munggo not yet cooked. It's so nice. Trust me, this one is very tasty. And of course, this one. Next, this one, the baby squash and chayote. Later, I don't have green leafy vegetables, but this one is quite enough for the green munggo. Enough for this munggo soup. Yan, we will cover it again. Let's cook it for another 15 minutes. Let's take a look. Ooh, the water is diminishing already. Wow. The taste is so yummy. Oh, not yet fully tender and cooked. It's okay. Another 5 minutes. But the pork ribs is tender and smooth already. Yes. Ooh, yummy. Need 5 minutes more. 5 minutes more because not yet fully open. The skin not yet fully open. Try. So it's time. Wow. Oh, so sticky already, guys, which means the munggo is really fully cooked. So let's taste it. Let's try to taste the soup. Kunti lang. Yan. Oh my god, so perfect. Wow, so yummy. Mmm, so yummy, guys. So it's time to put this one. Yan. Together. Oops. 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 Walang cameraman. And the chef cook is me. The cameraman also is me. So, wow! Overload. So, the rest is slowly. Yan. Still have. Tomorrow. 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 Okay. Then, another 3 minutes. 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It should be fully cooked already. Wow. You know, guys. Let's see, guys. Tender and juicy. Malinamnam to taste. And spicy. It's very, very alluring. Promise, guys. Try this cooking. It's really, really awesome. Ang sarap. It's because all is soaking together. Ayan, let it boil first. Dami kong sinasabi. Dami explanation. Let it boil first for 2 to 3 minutes. Then, the last part. The waiting. Oh my goodness. Luto na, guys. Ayan, the baby squash is cooking already. It's fully cooked already. And the chayote cooked already. So, it's time to serve. Serve hot. The pungent is very, very fascinating. Yan, guys. It's time to eat. Yan, serve hot. Serve hot. So, kain na tayo, guys. Ito na ang moment of truth. Yan. Diba? Soup niya, guys. Sticky. Hindi ko na binalatan yung squash dahil baby squash yan. Baby squash. So, yan. Yan. Kain tayo. Thank you, Lord, for this blessing. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. This one, guys. Kain tayo. Thank you for watching, guys, and for all your support and love. God bless you all. See you for another vlog, and thank you, guys, for inspiring me. You are truly my inspirations. It's because I become industrious vlogger because of your support and love for me. That's why I become so inspired and so courageous to do anything. I am trying my best to share my ideas and experience with my life. Thank you, guys. I love you all. That's it. Stay healthy, stay beautiful and blessed. Bye.